Rising above the Gold Coast Hinterland with commanding views from the city skyline to the Pacific Ocean, the estate at 160 Tallai Road is a triumph of architecture, engineering and imagination. One of the most significant private residences ever built on the Gold Coast. The experience begins at a circular cobblestone driveway where 75,000 hand-laid stones lead to a 5-element fountain clad in 24-karat gold mosaics. Flames and water dance around a sculptural dragon tree, a powerful symbol of strength and renewal, setting the tone for a home that celebrates balance, beauty, and precision. Through a glass facade and powered pivot door, the residence unfolds across 2,250 square meters of living over 3 levels. Every space tells a story, from intimate family moments to grand entertaining. Expansive glass captures sweeping skyline and ocean vistas, while architectural curves and natural stone bring warmth and texture to every room. The kitchen commands attention, with Calcutta marble accents and a sculptural copper centerpiece. A formal dining room with a feature wine display and tasting room designed for aged meats, cheeses, and wine creates unforgettable moments with family and friends. And in the master retreat, a world first in residential design, a 6-meter retractable ceiling opens to the sky above. By day, sunlight pours in over the hinterland. By night, you can fall asleep beneath the stars. The suite also features dual boutique dressing rooms, a sculptural marble ensuite, and private terraces framing breathtaking views. A Manhattan-inspired whiskey bar, 16-seat cinema, and private poker room invite evenings of indulgence, while the 20-meter gold-tiled infinity pool, full gym, yoga studio, sauna, steam room, and hydrotherapy spas place wellness at the heart of everyday life. Outdoors, a private fun park awaits, complete with a 160-meter go-kart track, a putting green and a basketball court. 3 independent sky residences ensure guests enjoy complete privacy, while a glass-fronted 9-car gallery and executive office highlight this estate's obsession with detail. The estate is more than a home. It's a living work of art, a self-contained world of light, luxury and limitless imagination, suspended between mountain, city, and sea.